Hello, I'm Andree Davis.
And hello, I'm Adam White, and we are Davies White Landscape Architects.
And we engage with communities, design and create nature play spaces.
And last year, Andree and I worked with a very important person, the Duchess of Cambridge, designing 4 gardens with her, along with the NHS and the RHS, which were called the Back to Nature Gardens.
And you may have seen the gardens in the news because they got lots of media coverage. We were on telly, in the newspapers, and in Hello magazine.
We featured in Hello magazine. Well, the back of Andree, and they actually photoshopped me out, but we were kind of in there.
And Adam and I have been landscape architects for over 25 years, and we design and create these kind of spaces all over the UK.
From the shores of Loch Lomond to the coast of Southampton, you can see them everywhere.
Plus, don't forget, we've just finished a huge nature play trail in Northern Ireland.
We have, it's fantastic. So our workshop is going to take place on Friday, the 14th of August at 2 p.m. and it's called Designing with Nature.
So what we're going to do is have an interactive design workshop. Anyone of any age can get involved and design their very own adventure play space with us.
So all you need to do is follow the link that will be down below at the side or above, register to join us, and we'll do this interactive design workshop.
Fantastic. I mean, look forward to seeing you in a few weeks' time.
Very good. Goodbye, everybody.
Bye.
See you.